So what's up? Ordered a little package off of Dream Clothing, saw them on Instagram, and wanted to do a little review. I know I've been getting the Yeezys and doing some videos on that, so I just kind of want to get into this kind of little review. Like I said, I got a little hoodie, so let's go ahead and open it up, see what it look like. Damn, there you go. Alright, let's see, okay. I'm hoping that it actually fit right. You know, I ain't never ordered nothing off of them, but let's see. Okay. Low. Deserve to be loved. Type vibe, okay. Jump cool. Let's see if this jump fit for real. Alright. Oh, it's kinda soft. Okay, it's kinda soft on the inside. It ain't too thick, but it's a little thin, but it's cool. It's soft. Oh yeah, I bang with this. It's cool for real. I like this. Tell me, y'all liking this? It's kind of cool for real. Yeah, it's a cool little vibe. I like it for real. That medium, I got this joint in the medium, and it fit pretty cool and everything. I'm gonna definitely wear this once fall hit and everything, but I like it. It's cool. It's a cool little vibe for real. But yeah, so I mean, if y'all got any questions, I guess throw it in the comment section. I can try and answer any questions you might have. I mean, it's pretty soft. It's a little thinner than I thought it would be, but it's definitely still cool for a hoodie and everything. And it's not like that Nike thick kind of material, but it's still soft on the inside. Let me see how this hood is for real. Let's see. Oh yeah, kind of a little big hood for real. I got the hair, so you know I need a bigger hood so it don't squish down my hair and stuff. But nah, fuck with it. It's cool. It's definitely tough. But yeah, if y'all have any questions, you know, or comments or whatever, throw it down below, you know, let me know how it is. Maybe I'll do a couple more, you know, reviews on different clothing and stuff like that. But yeah, let me know.